fixes common causes. 1. Verify game files. Steam, library right-click game, properties, local files, verify integrity of game files. Other launchers have similar verify/repair options. 2. Update GPU drivers. Use the manufacturer tool, NVIDIA GeForce Experience, AMD Adrenalin, Intel Driver, and Support Assistant. If problems started after a driver update, try rolling back to the previous driver. 3. Install repair runtimes. Install or repair Visual C++ redistributables 2015 to 2022, DirectX end-user runtimes, and .NET framework. On Windows, run dxdiag to confirm DirectX and note any problems. 4. Run Windows system checks, open command prompt as admin, and run sfc/scano-keg ds-key c/f may require reboot. These check system file and disk integrity. 5. Run the game in compatibility mode /windowed. Right-click XE properties, compatibility, try Windows 8 or 7, and run in 640 Ti for 480 or disable full-screen optimizations. In game launch options, try windowed or W or 1280 to H720 if supported. B. Intermediate if basics fail. 1. Clean GPU driver install, use DDU, download DDU, display driver uninstaller, and boot to safe mode. Remove drivers, then reinstall the latest stable GPU driver. 2. Disable GPU overclock, set power to maximum. If you overclock GPU-CPU, revert to stock to test stability. Set power plan to high performance, Windows power options. 3. Disable unnecessary startup background apps. Clean boot, msconfig services, hide Microsoft services, disable others, restart. Close game launchers you don't need. 4. Set launch options, force DirectX version. Steam, right-click game properties, launch options. Try flags like DX11, DX12, Vulkan, or OpenGL, depending on engine support. Try one at a time. 5. Increase virtual memory, page file. Windows System, Advanced System Settings, Performance, Advanced, Virtual Memory. Set custom size, e.g. initial equals 1.5 cache RAM, maximum equals 3 RAM, and reboot. 6. Check GPU-CPU temps while launching. Use a monitoring tool, MSI Afterburner, to ensure temps aren't spiking and causing a crash. #C, Advanced Developer Level Debugging. 1. Collect crash logs / Windows Event Viewer, Open Event Viewer, Windows Logs, Application System, look for errors at the time of crash, source application error.net runtime or the game executable. Copy the error details. 2. Generate dxdiag and GPU logs. Run dxdiag, save all information, attach the .txt and bug report. If the game has a log folder, e.g. sent local app data, game name, logs, or the game installation folder, collect the latest logs. 3. Run the game from a command prompt to capture console output. Open command in the game folder and run the executable to see printed errors. 4. Test on a clean OS account or another PC. Create a new Windows user account and try running the game there. Identifies profile corruption. If possible, test on another PC to narrow to machine versus game install. 5. Use Windows Reliability Monitor. Search Reliability Monitor. Check for recent critical events tied to the game. It can give crash module names. 6. Check for conflicting drivers or software, VPNs, advanced audio drivers, virtual webcam software, or older middleware like old controller drivers can interfere. Uninstall or disable suspect software. #D, console non-PC tips, brief, PlayStation, Xbox, power cycle console, clear cache, power down, unplug 10s, reinstall game, check system firmware. Switch others, update system, reinstall game, test without micro SD card if installed.